And so I know some people are on the phone, some people on online. They may be able to see the uh, see my face, maybe not. I don't know. So this here is a very unplanned webinar. What I'm going to do first, I'm just going to mute everyone here for now because I'm actually recording this as well. So I don't know if it's muting or not. Click and mute. Okay, so waiting. So I'm just going to mute just for now, just because of the recording, and everyone else is muted there. All right, awesome. Okay, well, hi everyone. My name is David Ogonaike, as Lawrence mentioned, and I'm just going to pull up my Facebook page here because sometimes, you know, you talk to people and oh, first of all, can you guys see my screen? Is my screen on? Is it showing you guys? No one sees my screen, so share number 2. There we go. Okay, you should be able to see my screen there. I know I muted you guys already. So anyways, so like I was saying, you know, sometimes people do presentations. You don't know if the person is real or not. So this is my Facebook wall. You can always go on there. You see pretty much I always talk about my family. That's my biggest thing, my driving force here. So I am a real person. I do go by the name of Super Dave. And that's just because I was involved in a company before. They couldn't pronounce my last name properly. So they just said, look, what this guy did was super. So Super Dave coming up to the stage. And that's how I got the nickname called Super Dave. So basically, what Lawrence was saying is that, you know, I've built different businesses before. And what I want to do in this particular presentation, if I do my job right, you should be so excited that you will not be able to sleep for the next week. You know, it's been going on 2 weeks already for me right now, and it's just exciting. Okay, the fact that I found something that I believe can change the lives of anyone that I choose to share this with. And that's a key word because I've been involved in a lot of different home-based businesses before, and I just did a screenshot here. For some reason I'm hearing background noise here. Okay, if you're calling in from a phone, can you just please mute your phone? That'll be great. So what I did was I just went and I quickly got some screenshots just so you can see what I've done before in the past, because sometimes, you know, you're like, okay, well, this is good. Lawrence said Dave should talk, but I don't even know who Dave is. What have you done before? So I'm just going to show you recent stuff. I just did the screenshots like just before coming here, so I haven't been able to blur anything out. But you can see here, this is one company, and you can see this is January 16th, 2016, sorry, and you can see total I've earned there, 556,000. Let's see here, another company recently, 170,000. You can still see, and this was a different company again, where I was on stage picking up 3 different checks of you know, 25,000, 100,000, and 250,000, and that's there, my name, whatever it is. Again, so the reason I'm showing you this is just so you know that I've done this. This is not my first time. It's not my second time. Never my third time. This is actually going to be my 5th time researching, looking for a home-based business that is real. And what I mean by real is I have a criteria that I look for when I'm trying to determine if a business is actually worthwhile. And here's the criteria. I want to know that if I can help a single mom with 2 kids who has no car, if I can show her a way on how she can make money from home, I can build an empire. Because a lot of people don't want to talk to people, and I don't know how you can make money if you don't talk to people, but if you can help someone make money from home, my God, you can change the world, because you can pick anyone, anywhere, anytime. You can say, look, I'm going to show you how to actually make some money. So that's been my big criteria. I'm always open to looking at things. And, you know, basically what happened was I had a friend. His name is Nino. He's a kid I had in a business previously 2 years ago. He was 21, and he joined a company, and he joined another company, He kept pitching me every single time, and I would start to brush him off. Well, about a year ago, he told me he joined a new company, and I said, hey, man, that's awesome for you. Keep it up. Previous presentation, I'd actually shared our conversation going back and forth on Facebook. And this time I won't be sharing that. But basically what ended up happening is about 3 weeks now, 4 weeks ago, this gentleman, I'll actually pull him up right now, he bought a Lamborghini, a yellow Lamborghini. I don't know what his pictures are anymore here. And I just want to try to show you this somewhere. So that's him now. So this, a gold Lamborghini. This is about 4 weeks ago. So you guys are watching this like brand new right now. And I was impressed. I mean, I'm a guy, I'm into cars, all that kind of stuff. And the guy's 23 years old. So that got my attention. So I messaged him. I said, okay, you know what? Now I know something's going on. What are you doing? And he told me, he says, look, I'm making money trading. I'm making money from home trading the currency market, Forex market. And I don't know if you guys know what Forex is or not, but Forex is basically where you're trading currency. You know, when the US dollar and Canadian dollar, the US dollar is getting stronger, Canadian dollar is getting weaker, or vice versa. Well, if you can determine which currency is going to be higher or lower, you can make money from that. And that's called trading currencies. And the currency market is worldwide, and they do about $5.2 trillion a day. So to give you the equivalence of that, again, background noise. How's that possible? Nope. All right. So I'm just going to continue here. So basically what ended up happening is the currency market, as opposed to the stocks and stuff like that, stocks do $22 billion a day. So the currency market does more in 2 days than the US economy does in the whole year. Again, because currency is worldwide. So you don't need to get 1%, you don't need to get 0.00001%. You just need to get a sniff, and you can become wealthy in this actual industry. So that's what Nino's telling me. So he started with $400 7 months ago, and he has earned over $225,000 just from trading from his parents' basement. Now, here's the key part. This is what I heard when he spoke to me. He did not say, hey, Dave, look, I joined a company and I built a team of thousands of people and I made $200,000. He said he started with $400 and he had earned over $200,000 just from him and his computer trading online. Has nothing to do with recruiting anybody or anything. So I said to him, I go, Nino, I'm in. Send me whatever your course is, because he has a course that he charges a few $100s a month for. And I said, I'll trade with you. And what he does is basically he trades and you watch his screen while he's trading. And then when he goes into the market, you go into the market as well. So if he loses, you lose. And when he wins, you win. And I'm just showing, this is an hour ago. His goal this week was to make $10,000 bucks. And this is just an hour ago here. I'm just going to click this here. So just so you can see, so he's trading right now the euro versus US dollar. And this is just an hour ago. Okay. So this is, like I said, you guys are right here, brand new. Again, guys, if you're unmuted, or if you're on the phone, just please mute your phone. That'd be greatly appreciated. Thanks. Okay, so that's weird. Okay. Yeah, I don't know why it's all mute all. Let's see. Okay, there we go. All right. So just an hour ago, that Nino placed the trade, and you can see here he spent $1,000 he made 1,700, spent 1,000 made 1,700, spent 1,000 he lost 1,000, spent $500 made 850. If you do the math on all of this, by even including the lost situation here, he made $750, right? Because he made 700, and made 350. So that does 1,400. And 350, so that's 1,750 minus the $1,000 that he lost there. So he made $750 in 11 minutes. Now, I don't know about you guys. I've made a lot of money before in the industry, but I don't make $750 in 11 minutes. Do you? This is a 23-year-old kid. And this is, like I said, an hour ago. So this is not like last year or just one trade or whatever it is. His goal this week is to make $10,000. So, when he showed me what he was doing before, so this is before this screenshot that I'm showing you right now. When he showed me what he was doing, I said, look, you know what, Dave? I have an ego. I'm called Super Dave, all right? But guess what? I'm willing to reduce my ego and listen to a 23-year-old kid. He's 20 years younger than me. In fact, I guess he could be my kid, Okay. Now I went to a live event that he does in Toronto, Mississauga, and I went there, and all I saw was a room full of 19-year-old kids, 20-year-old, 22-year-old kids, and I just sat there. I was shaking, like vibrating with excitement. I couldn't believe it. Like all these guys were making $50 a day, $100 a day, $500 a week, and they're making all this money again from their parents' basement. Remember, these are just all kids. And I'm sitting there going, what the heck have I been doing for the last year? You know, I've been involved in another company, a skincare company. I've done okay with that company, but I would have loved to just stay home because, you know, you see I've got kids and stuff. And I said, no, if this thing really works, other people need to know about this. So I went to 5 separate meetings. They had a meeting on Tuesday, on Thursday, on Sunday. I just kept going because I couldn't believe it. And every time was a different speaker. So when I went to this meeting, this is what these guys do, and this is what blows my mind, is they copy Nino's trades, then they take a screenshot just like this when they when they earned money, and then they will then take this image, and then in this case I'm in Facebook, but they actually take it and they post it on Instagram. Now I don't even have an Instagram account. I just set it up. I don't have any I have no images. I have nothing on an Instagram account. But by them doing that, people then say, hey, what are you doing? How can I do it? I want in. So when I'm sitting down there at these meetings, they're talking about a company that actually gives people the trades. And I'm like, okay, I don't understand what's going on. Nino is doing trading, but they're talking about a different company. So I found out that there's actually a company out there where Nino learned those stuff from called Wealth Generators. And that's what we're here to actually share with you. This is why we're sharing this with you. And what this company does is they have a product where they teach people how to find money that they're already making, but how do you find lost money in what you're making? Then they show you how to keep as much as money that you have. And then the last thing they do is then they'll help you grow that money. And in growing the money, what they do is they do the Forex trading. And in the Forex trading, what they do, they know a lot of people don't have the time to do research. They don't have time to sit by a computer to watch what's actually happening. What they will do is every 2 to 3 times a week, they will send you an alert. It comes on an email, comes on your phone, and the alert will tell you what currency to purchase. It'll tell you when to get into the market and when to get out. You simply copy and paste what they give you, and that's it. It takes me about 30 seconds to do. So in all, you're working maybe about, again, I shouldn't say you're working only about 2 minutes a week, but really that's all you're doing. If you've got the money, you put it in the market, you just copy and paste the trade they give you. And what Nino did, he said, look, you know what? If people join me in this program, which is $300 US, what he will do is he will then give access to his own course where you get to watch him live on the screen as well. So we get to participate in a company here. This is a network marketing opportunity that shows you how to find money, keep money, and grow money, and then give you the Forex trades to do. But if you want to get more active on it, you also get access to Nino and his live trading when he's actually doing it as well. So we get the best of both worlds, because I was ready to join him with this program that he has, which is not a network marketing company. But then he showed me network marketing company actually where he learned the Forex stuff from, where he gets the trades from, and I get to do this and this. My mind, that's what I mean, my mind was blown. Okay, so it's all good for me to talk about how blown my mind was, but what I want to do, I want you to listen to a few other people, some kids that I actually met at these events. I want you to hear what they've accomplished so far. You gotta remember, the goal is, can I help a single mom with 2 kids who has no car? How can I help her make some money? And if it's real, I could build an empire. And if you're someone there that's looking to change people's lives, you're just someone there that's looking to make some money, I'm telling you, you can change your financial future. So I'm going to play this. I hope it comes out loud and clear here. Again, these are just young guys who just started trading, and see what the results are.
So my name is Fabian Rodriguez. We're just starting up in the currency exchange market, along with a lot of the team that we're here, the person that's making this video right now. It's a great opportunity to learn, meet new connections, expand in any type of business that you want, build a capital. I currently started about 3 weeks ago. I started off trading demos, practicing a lot, studying, but currently I started live So I made about 20 to 30 bucks in about 15 to 10 minutes, which is amazing. No one makes that nowadays.
Yeah, and that was your first trade.
That was my first official trade live, but I did a lot of practicing before, and I just felt really comfortable before I started trading on my own.
Awesome. Thank you.
No problem.
Cool. Okay, so that kid, he just said, he just started a couple of weeks ago. And what we recommend people do, people say, well, Dave, look, I don't know anything about trading. I don't even know where to start. And that's perfectly A-okay. When you get started with this company, they actually have a consultant that will walk you through how to set up your account, how to do everything. And what we recommend you do is you start up with what's called a demo account. That means you take no money from your pocket. They give you $50,000 in the account. And when the company sends you an alert, you just have to simply copy and paste the alert into your broker account, and then you get to see how it actually works. Okay. Now let me play another testimonial here from someone else here. Let's choose. I'm just.
You don't have to mention me. Just.
So wealth generators. Do you want me to say wealth generators or no?
Yeah, you can say wealth generators. Just say, hey guys, this is what your name is.
Okay, awesome.
Okay. Go.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Hey guys, my name is George. I'm 20 years old. I've been a part of Wealth Generators for about 3 months now, and I was able to build a residual income of $1,000 US. Doing it alongside with my friends, doing it wherever I want, whenever I want, with the people, with amazing people and mentors like Nino. And things are going great, man. So take a deeper look into this, and I promise you can change your life.
Awesome. Thank you.
Okay, so again, another kid again. Like, remember I told you, kids, right? So here's the deal. A lot of kids, they don't have a lot of money to get started in something. People ask, so how much money do I need to start trading with? Realistically, you need about $500 to $1,000 in an account if you want to start to make some money. And if you don't have the money, guess what? You need to go find the money somewhere. But instead of finding the money, here's how you do it with us. You do your demo account. So you're not using your money, you're using demo account. You get started with us. You just follow the alerts and start trading. When you get the results, so that when your trade is plus, your account goes plus, you take a screenshot of that. You post that on Facebook, social media, whatever, or show your friends, whatever it is. And then they say, hey, how are you doing this? And you say, look, I found a service that allows me to make money from home. All I do is I simply copy and paste their alerts. And people go, wow, okay, how can I do that? They will then join you with this program, Wealth Generators, and guess what? You earn commission when they buy the product. So you start making a bit more money. This extra money, so you don't have to take money from what you're already making or what you're already doing. Take that money, put that money into a live account like what one of those kids said, and guess what? Now you start to get your money working for you. And that's what I really love about this, is the fact that I don't need any one person to join me. In any other company I've done weight loss, I've done skincare, I've done telecommunications, I've done, I don't know, like a whole bunch of different juices, lotions, potions. I've done all those different companies. And the side things, if I'm talking to my mom or my dad or my friend or whatever it is, I need them to join me first so I can show a check to get other people to join me. Do you get that? So when I'm telling someone, I'm really telling them because I want them to join me. With this company, I need nobody. I just have money in my account. I'm trading myself. And I said, look, you know what? I just made $500. I didn't have to talk to anyone, whatever case is that. Do you want to know how I did it or no? It's a very simple conversation. If they say yes, great. Here's the deal. I actually just send them a company presentation. It's 15 minutes long. It goes through all the details. Okay. Now, I'm going to play one more testimonial here. And let me do this kid here. This guy's name is Brandon.
Hey guys, if you're watching this right now, you're definitely on the right track. There's a lot of movement going on right now in the GTA and all of the world as well too with Wealth Generators. I'm a really big testimonial about this. I've been doing for about 2 months now, trading with Forex and binary options with Nino. Just a little bit about me. My name is Brandon. I'm 21 years old right now currently, and in my first month I was able to literally take $3,000 and bring it up to $8,000 just trading the Forex markets. So there's a lot of potential here, guys. Don't kid yourselves of the potential, but if you want it, go after it because it's there for you. At the end of the day, I'm no different than anybody else. It's just a matter about how disciplined you are, and it's about consistency. Consistency is the key to success. All right, guys. But you know, you have an awesome opportunity here. I'm 21 years old, as I said. If I can do it, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to do it. No excuses. Make it happen. Make 2016 your year, because this is your time to shine. We'll see you guys at the top.
A 21-year-old telling you 2016 is your year to shine. I'm vibrating right now because this is annoying. I'm just being honest with you guys. Again, I don't know how old you guys are watching me right now, but I'm not 21. Okay, so 21. I can't even remember what I did when I was 21 years old. Okay, but you know how excited it is to see such young people making money from what? Trading. If you notice, no one mentioned about, oh, I brought a team of 20 people in last week and I made. That's not the conversation. Conversation is the product. The product that we have works, and all you got to do is work it. And if you wanted to, you can share it with other individuals. Okay, so I always tell people there's only two ways to make money in life. One is with sweat equity, where you're gonna have to go out and work, trade your time for money, get people involved. The other way is where you get money working for you. So if you don't have the money, which is what I did not have when I first started, I went out there, I built teams of people, and I got the money, and I was able to get money working for me. Okay, here's an opportunity now, a real business where you get to have your money working for you, and you can also go and work and share this with other people where you get more money. Now, to wrap this up, I want to show you what to me was like the final, like, oh my God, this is incredible. Okay, and again, these are all just screenshots I took. This is from the policy and procedure of the company. I want you to read this. Okay, the company offers a triple your money back. Okay, triple your subscription money back guarantee. And the reason I'm showing you this, I want to show you exactly in black and white exactly what it is. It's very, very simple. Okay, Wealth Generators offers a highly unique triple your subscription back guarantee that provides members the confidence to execute our trade strategies. And the guarantee is very simple. It says if you trade their strategy for the next 6 months and you lose money, so they will reimburse you 3 times your subscriptions fee for that period. So the monthly subscription, so I told you it's $300 to get started and $129 a month. So if you do that for 6 months times 3, they will give you back $2,339.82. So again, that's the $129.99 times 6 months times 3. Here's the provision. All you have to do is you don't need to follow 100% of their alert. You just need to follow at least 90% of the trade strategies for the next 6 months. And here's the key part. They don't care if you traded it in a live account or a demo account. I'm going to say it again. You can open up a broker account. Okay, and this is key. You're not giving any money to the company, so the company is not trading money on your behalf. You're not opening up a broker account with them. You open up a broker account wherever you want to. They don't care. You do it wherever you want to do it. They only send you the alerts. You take the alerts. You can open up a real account that's called a live account, or you can open up a demo account where there's play money in there. You just simply trade for the next 6 months, and if your account is not in a positive in the next 6 months, they will pay you back your $129 that you've been paying for the last 6 months, and times 3. So they'll pay you back $2,339. How can you lose? The only way you lose is if you don't get started with us. I mean, even if you get started with us and you don't make any money in your demo account, you still make more money back than what you spent to get started with us and pay for your 6 month subscription. So to me, it's a no-brainer. This is a win-win-win situation. Like Lauren said before, before I decided to get involved with this, I told you I attended 5 meetings. I mean, I live an hour and a half away from where these meetings are. I went to every single meeting because I wanted to see if this was really real. So they told me everything. I'm like, great, that's awesome. Then what I did was I went to check out the actual company as well. I wanted to make sure that I can get a hold of the company, because there's nothing worse than getting new people involved in a company and they having issues, having questions, and they try to call customer support to find out that, number one, there's no phone number, or number two, you can't get a hold of anyone. You have to do email support. Well, here they have a toll-free support number, and they're available from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern time zone. So that pretty much helps everyone who's working, not working, whatever the case is. They have an actual office. I've called customer support. I called them 8 different times, trying different questions, trying to stump them. They have 21 customer support people, just customer support, not counting executives, founders. I don't know how many people they have altogether, but they have a bunch of people. Another thing I look for is the founders. Are these people who have been involved in other network marketing deals before and they decided, look, you know, one day we're going to create our own MLM, but let's just throw like a Forex thing into it? Is that what they're really doing? And the answer here is no. These people have spent the last 20 to 30 years only trading. You can check them out here. None of them have been involved in network marketing before. None of them. Okay. In fact, when network marketing was approached to them for them to create this business model, they were against it. But what they found was that a lot of their best customers, because they've had a training company teaching people how to trade for the last 15 years, they found that their best customers came from referrals. Okay. Now what they've done now, they did go and they hired some other executives from other successful network marketing companies. And these are the people now who now run the company. So you have the founders, you have an executive team of people, you have a whole bunch of customer support, compliance, like a whole bunch of other things that makes a real company real. You can go visit the company. They actually have 2 locations, one in New Jersey and one in Utah. So, but again, you can just simply go to the website, come and just check everything out yourself. So anyway, with that, you know, I don't want to talk too much about the recruiting opportunity because it's natural. If you get started with us and you start trading with us, which is what I recommend people do, you use the product, you will have success because the company gives you a 6-month money guarantee, 3 times money guarantee. So you cannot not have success. When you're having success, what do you think you're going to do? You're naturally going to share it with people that you care about and you know. And that's why I shared this with people, and that's why Lawrence is sharing, that's why Ivan is sharing, that's why the different people are sharing this with you, because they care about you. It's like thinking about you found a mine with gold and all you need to do is to go in there and take your wheelbarrow and pick the gold. We found it and we're sharing it with you because we like you. That's it. I mean, we didn't have to share it with you. That's because we don't need you. I hope you get this. I'm going to show you one thing. Let's see, download bonus plan here. Just for those of you who've built companies before, the plan, again, very, very fair. I wasn't going to go through all this, but like I said, it's $300 to get started and then $129 a month. Okay. If you just want to be just a customer, it's $129 a month. The very first month, that's a $50 fee. So it's $179 to just be a customer and then $129 every month. Okay. And to be a qualified generator, it's $249 plus the $50 fee at the beginning. So it's $299. So that's why I say $300 and then $129 a month. But here's what I'm talking about, really, really fair. Once you have 3 people, okay, so 3 customers, 3 people, then they guarantee you $129 a month. So your fee is $129. You got 3 people, they pay you $129, so pretty much your fee now is canceled. Then if you help 3 people get their service for free, you now bump up to the 500 club, and now they guarantee you $500 a month. So think about this. You know, Dave, this sounds great. You know, I open up a demo account. I've done the alert. Oh my God, this is unbelievable. I want some money now in my account. I want to open up a live account. How can I do it? Well, all you got to do is help 3 people get their service for free. You're now guaranteed $500 a month. $500 a month is $6,000 a year. Imagine you just took that $500 and put it into your real account, into your live account, and start trading with that money. Okay, if you want to be more ambitious, guess what? Help 3 people get to the 500 club, and now you're getting $1,000 a month. Imagine adding an extra $1,000 into your live trading account and letting the alert work, or better yet, start following Nina. If you get started with us, I will give you a special code which will allow you to get access to Nino's course for free. His course is $200 one time and $100 a month. You get that for free because you're going to join our team. So when you get started, let me know you did that. I'll let Lawrence know, and we'll give you a special code so you actually get access to him, so you can trade live with him if you wanted to. Okay? And I should have muted this already before. There we go. All right. So that is the power of what we have. Simply following this step. And this will be all I focus on here. Get your 3 so you get your service for free. Help 3 people do the same thing so you get $500 a month coming in. Put that into your live account. If you want to get more ambitious, help 3 people get to $500 a month. That gives you $1,000 a month. And put that into your live trading account. Start trading $5,000, $10,000, and before you know it, that's it. You don't have to even focus on anything else past this. You don't have to build any bigger team. Just work with the money that you have. Let that money start to work for you. So I'm going to wrap it up with this here. I've been trying to get this. We've all seen this. well, those of us who've been involved in the industry, we've seen this a lot of times. And if you're brand new, maybe you never saw this, but it's Robert Kiyosaki. He wrote a book called Cash Flow Quadrant. He talks about most people are employees. This is where you exchange your time for money. If you don't work, you don't get paid. And people get sick and tired of that. They become self-employed. They become a financial broker. They become mortgage broker, doctor, lawyer. But all you're doing is you're working for yourself, and now you're trading your talent for money. If you take a 6-week vacation, guess what? Your business goes on pause. You don't work, you don't make any money. You want to move to this passive section here. You want to have a business where you have your business. You want to have people working for you. That's why building a network actually works for you. And the last part is the investor. This is the elusive place. This is where most people never get to, because this is where you get money working for you. Well, now we have an opportunity where we show you an opportunity where you can get your money working for you, and you can also be a business owner where you have people working, people creating money for you that you can then put the money into here. Okay? You tell me if you've seen any other opportunity before that allows you to do this, become a B person and an I at the same time. So with that, I want to thank you guys for coming. I don't want to keep talking for so long. We'll open up the lines if anyone has any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. What I recommend you do next is do your own research, or if you trust the person that told you about this, just get started with us. We do have a company 15-minute overview presentation that you can watch. Just ask the person, say, you know, I want to get more information. They'll send you this 15-minute presentation. You get to watch it, and then after that, ask any questions you have. You can call the company directly to ask questions, or call one of us. We'll answer your questions for you. And honestly, I think the best part is when you get started, open up your demo account and start following the trades. Okay? It's very, very easy to do. There's still a learning curve like anything else. You learn how to drive, you learn how to walk, you learn how to use a computer, learn how to use Microsoft Office. You're gonna have to learn something, but so what? It takes you a day or two to learn, and then you get going. All right. So with that, again, I want to thank you guys for coming. I'm going to unmute the lines, see if anyone has any questions, and if you don't have any questions, please get back to the person that actually brought you here, and we'll be more than happy to get you started. All right. Okay. So hold on. Okay, I have.
Oh, hi, Dave.
Hello.
Dave.
Yeah.
Hi,
Yes.
Dave.
Yep.
This is Mitzi here.
Hi, Mitzi.
Okay, I'd like to ask a question. Is there going to be a time when it can be automatically done for you, like where you can set it on automatic, and if you're, you know what I mean, going away or just not able to do it, or the robot or something like that?
Yes. So the company is creating, or they're coming out with a robot as well to help you do the trade. So later on, what will happen is you'll have your broker account just connected directly to theirs, and so your money is still separate. But then when either it wouldn't really actually be a robot, it would actually be more the real trader. When the trader trades, then they're trading your account at the same time. So the robots sound good, but most robots don't always work. It sounds like a robot, but robots don't really work. So, but yes, your account will be connected where every time they're doing a trade, instead of them sending you the alert and you having to put the alert in, then it's traded automatically for you.
Okay. And,
So
and
that
can
is
you
coming.
leave it like that, or is there a time frame that you take it off? Can you just leave it like that forever? Or
Yeah. You can leave it. So like, so one of the kids made a joke. They said, you know, so if 2 minutes is too much, if 2 minutes a week is too much for you, you know, now you can spend 0 minutes. So
Okay.
yeah,
That's awesome. Thank you.
no problem, no problem. Anyone else? You can, if you're too scared to talk, you can also type in the box as well. All right. Okay. Well, if no one has any questions, let me see. I did unmute everybody. You may have to. Yeah, you can unmute yourself if you want to ask. Okay, someone's typing here. Hey Dave, how does that $500 with 12 people compare to the industry? Okay, so let me put this back. Where the heck was it? Okay, so someone's asking about this commission part thing here that I shared before. And so just so you guys know how powerful this is, this $500 that I said, You know, sometimes we get spoiled, especially us in North America right now. We're like, ah, $500, Dave, that's nothing. I wanna hear how I'm making $5,000 a month or whatever it is. Well, think about this. If you found $500 on the floor, would you pick it up? I pick up a quarter. When I see a quarter on the floor, I pick it up. So I don't know, $500, man, I'll be diving for it. So you only need 1,300 in volume, which is about 12 people. And in most companies, if you create 1,300 in volume, they normally pay you 5% of that. So that means you'll make about $65. Even if they paid you 10%, that would be at like $130 that you'd make. Here, they're paying you $500 for the same 12 people, because this 1,300 is 12 people plus your 100, which makes it 1,300 altogether. So when you compare it to the industry, this is very, very high in terms of what you need to do to actually earn this money. Okay, so I hope that answers your question. So it's very, very high. Actually, I think it's the highest I've seen compared to any other company. All right, anyone else? So to get started, oh yeah, go on.
I'm not sure about this, and I guess I should find it. How often do we get paid? It's Mitzi again.
Yeah, so you're paid 3 times a month, or actually maybe more. There's a weekly bonus that's paid out. Oh, so here there's a weekly bonus that's paid out. I'm trying to see if it says anywhere here. So there's a weekly bonus that's paid out, and then there's also a monthly bonus that's also paid out. So I guess you would say it's 5 times.
Okay.
But again, you know what? The easiest way to find out is you just call the company.
Right, exactly,
Right?
exactly. And but another question, can you leave that money there and just turn it over and trade with it?
No, you can't. And this is very key. The company has nothing to do with the trades. Okay, the company is simply giving you the training and sending you the alerts. When you get paid, it goes to an e-wallet, which is then directed to your bank account. You're trading, you are opening up the account yourself wherever you want it. So it's kind of like going to like TD Bank or Scotiabank or Royal Bank, but it's not that. You actually will go to forex.com, and this is where you'd open up a trading account. Simply right here, you simply click on a demo account. Okay, and these are one of the places they recommend to open up the account. So you just put in your first name, last name, country, phone number, email, and boom, you're done, and your account is opened up for you. That's all you do. So then you will then put your money in here, and you can do it through a credit card. You can do wire transfer, and they may have some other ways of funding the account. But I want to show you one more thing here, because people don't realize this. Forex.com, this is a Canadian version. You can see here is regulated by the Investment Industry Regulation Organization of Canada, so IIROC, and deposits are insured by a Canadian Investor Protection Fund up to $1 million. So this is not a company where you're giving them the money and then hoping they do something with your money. You are in control of your money at all times. You're the one putting the trades in. And even when they create the auto trader, all you're going to do is you're going to connect your account to their master account. So when they do the trade goes in your account as well. But you're never giving someone else access to your money. And that's very, very key. That's right. Company doesn't control your investment. Okay, let me see what else here. Okay. Anyone else with a question? Okay, well, what I will do is I recommend you get back to the person who actually brought you here. I was going to give out my phone number. I'll give it out right now. But normally, just get back to the person who actually brought you here. They can get you in contact with me. But if you just want to call me directly, it is 613-266-8888. And you can also just find me on Facebook as well, under David Ogunaike. All right, and I'll be more than happy to actually help you out here. Now, So I want to say, how can you get more information? Like I said, the easiest way is, go onto the company's site. It's wealthgenerators.com. That's what I did. And I clicked every single link here, and I read every single package, everything that they have on here. Okay. For the actual presentation, there is a video, which is not here, but just again, send me a text with your email or connect with me on Facebook, and I'll send you the 15-minute company product overview. And it goes through everything. It goes through how the alerts work. They give you a screenshot of it. They talk about the guarantee. They give you a background on the company, like everything. Okay, and that's how I have been getting people interested. I just call them up. I said, look, I found something that you can do from home, and you don't even need to think about the whole MLM stuff. They're like, okay, what is it? I go, I'm going to send you a 15-minute video, watch it, and then call me back. And out of 10 people, 7 of them called me back. Out of the other 3, one person said, no, Dave, this is not for me. She did not understand it. And the other 2, they just hadn't watched the video yet. That one lady who said, no, it's not for her, she just called me yesterday to tell me, hey, Dave, listen, I've been thinking, did you say I can actually do this from home and not do this whole network marketing thing? And she's actually a high income earner from a previous company before. I said, yes, because she's just burnt out. And she goes, you know what? Can you send me that presentation again? Because I wasn't listening to what you were saying. Because I don't know, maybe someone else called her or whatever it is. But she just kind of woke up. So she goes, I'm just telling you, I think I'm going to join you now. But I just want to make sure this is real. I said, no problem. So that's it. So it's a 15-minute presentation. Yep, I will do that for sure. All right. So anyone else? Any other questions?
Thanks, Dave. I appreciate it. This is awesome.
Cool.
I know people are already texting me that I'm speaking with you. They want more information. They want to connect and say, what? This can't be real.
Exactly. Well, I went through the exact same thing as well. And let me play one more kid video here. Where the heck are my videos here? You notice I recorded these different guys here. Let me do this guy here.
What's up, guys? It's Paul Gokowski, 22 years old. I've been doing wealth generators and copy profit share for the past 7 months. I've seen a 60% return on my investment originally. Results not typical. We're not typical over here, mind you, okay? And in the past 7 months alone, I personally referred 36 people. 31 came to me. My team turned into 180, and I'm seeing about $3,000 to $4,000 Canadian residually. Guys, join us or watch us.
Thank you. All right, so of course that's the only one I choose where he's talking about recruiting. But again, what do? They do the trades, they copy it, they paste their success on social media, and then getting people to join up with them. It's amazing. That's what I can tell you. Okay, so with that, guys, I'm gonna say have a great day. Today's Tuesday. They're actually having a live event. I was hoping to go to the event tonight. It's at 9 p.m. in Mississauga. If you want details for that, also Get Back Person actually brought you onto here. We can give you the link. I don't think I'm going to make it. I'm still going to see if I can make it because it snowed like crazy. They shut down the school buses. My kids are upstairs. They did not go to school today. So I don't know how bad the roads are. And I'm an hour and a half away normally. So with snow, I may be 3 to 4 hours away. So I don't know if I'm going to make it there. But if the roads clear up later today, I will still go out to the event. So if you want to go to that event and meet these kids, please get back to me or someone else and we'll give you the address for the location for tonight at 9 p.m. Apart from that, I want to thank you for coming. Hopefully I did my job and you're totally messed up now. You're not going to sleep properly for the next week or two. Till next time, I look forward to seeing you on the team. Take care.